Welcome to Carmarthenshire Energy's first share offer. We're really pleased to announce that tonight is the night where you can take this opportunity to invest in our first ever renewable energy project. It's a great opportunity, and I'm extremely eager to let the people of Carmarthenshire and West Wales know of this opportunity because they don't come around very often. We're talking about very significant tax breaks and interest rates 5, 6, 7%. I've recently been helping my mum with her life savings, and the bank are paying at 0.25%. Genuinely, you can invest in this scheme, your money's safe, it's all guaranteed, it's all insured. We're looking to share the profits locally, create jobs. It's quite an urgent opportunity because we're launching tonight. The deadline is the 4th of December, so you've only got a month really to think about this opportunity, but it's a great chance for people. It starts at £100. So, it's a great Christmas present. Maybe invest on behalf of your children. £100, and you'll get a tax break, 30-40% back the first year if you're a taxpayer. And then after year 3, you'll be earning 5, 6, 7%, and you'll ask to have your money back then. You have to keep it in for 3 years, but, compared to the money the banks are paying, what a great opportunity. So if you believe in renewable energy, believe in fighting fuel poverty, believe in helping the local community, economic regeneration, job opportunities, this is the best investment you could possibly consider. So please come and talk to us because we want to share this opportunity with you. We're going to be around all through November because, as I say, it's a time limited offer. We're going to be in Llandail, Carmarthen, but you can find out on the website, on Facebook, what we're all about. And we want you to know the information and take advice. But this is a very good opportunity to invest in a brilliant project that's locally based and for the benefit of the locality. So anything you need to know, come and talk to us, please do.